People, I am fucking freezing here. Whew. It's 12 o'clock at night. There's just, let's say, 5 to 10 knots of wind, not even. I think it's 5 knots max. On my way to, I think it's Cartagena or something. I should be arriving there tomorrow afternoon. Was supposed to go to Denia or Alicante, but hey, I'm okay. So I will continue sailing tonight. Look, there's nobody around. Nobody here. So I will do like 45-minute power naps. And yeah, so should have another 6 of those. And then yeah, then it's morning again. So guys, I'm out. I'm in 2 sleeping bags, a vest, 2 jackets and cold hands now. But have a good night, guys. I'm out, or at least for the next 45 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna crawl back into my sleeping bag later. Yep, good morning. 45 minutes has passed, so I just check around. There's no boats, so I'm okay. But yeah, most of you are always complaining like he is not safe and he's not wearing a vest. Okay, I'm not wearing it now because I'm sleeping and it's next to me. But as well, I always have my yellow bag just on board. So I'm gonna show you a couple of safety things that I am doing when I'm sailing. So here we go. First of all, I have the radio in my pocket, so if something happens I can automatically dial the 60 and I can call for Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. So that is waterproof and it's in my pocket, so when I go overboard that's what I'm having and I can instantly call. Then I have next to me, I have my yellow bag. In my yellow bag we have all the safety equipment that I need to be rescued. This is waterproof. I have like all my flares in there. I have some food, some drinks in there. And look at that. I've got my amazing Rip Curl wetsuit. So when I'm in the water, I put on my wetsuit and that saves me at least 3-4 hours in this water before I die. Instead of like 15-20 minutes. And more important, I think, than a life raft is there my faithful dinghy. So my dinghy is behind the boat. And I think a dinghy is more fail-proof than a life raft because you don't need to inflate it. It's already inflated. It's super strong material. It's already floating. So if the boat sinks, it's behind the boat, so it will stay afloat until the boat is completely sunk, and then it's still floating, so you can always cut it loose. And I've got how do you call it? The knife in my pocket, the Leatherman's in my pocket. So yeah, I think that's a pretty fail-proof system. Watertight bag, got my phone, my radio, and I have the dinghy on the back. So if the boat sinks, if I hit something, it's all within hand reach. So yeah, I guess I'm still pretty safe. So I sleep well, guys. I sleep well like this. Check that out. This big dude is passing me at 100 meters. I was asleep. I won't zoom in. But, oh man, that was scary. That was scary. Good morning, everybody. Oh my god, this was a hell of a night. I reefed too late, check the waves in the background. I have over 20-25 knots. I'm completely reefed and I'm still overpowered, but hey, I'm flying, doing 6.5, 7 knots on the way to Cartagena. So I'm gonna be there pretty soon, guys. Good morning, have a wonderful day. Oh, look, finally seeing the shore again after a rough night. Beautiful. Wind in the back, 20 knots. Sunshine in the front. Life is awesome! And my little proud dinghy in the back. If anything goes wrong, that's my life. Check that out. the boat, rocking the boat, rocky, 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 rocking the boat. Hey guys, check this out. I'm in the harbor of Cartagena because tonight we're gonna have 30 knots of winds and I don't feel like sailing another 2 days. So I'm in the harbor here. It's a very nice harbor, it's very cheap, and check that sunshine. You can't imagine, but tonight's gonna be 30 knots and I don't want to be on the water, so I'm gonna take a nice shower, get some electricity, get some water, and I'll be ready to go to Malaga again. So but look at that, this harbor is very nice. You only pay like 15 euros a night, including water and electricity. In Alicante you pay 35. So yeah, if you are sailing around the area of the Balearen and you need a cheap harbor, come here, Cartagena. It's perfect, nice and very friendly. Mar, thank you, that's the head of the office. And yeah, very friendly person. So and there's a lot of space, so you don't need to park the car, or the car. You don't need to dock the boat very, very close to others. So yeah, awesome. And always the palm trees give you a very holiday-like vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some boats, some very nice boats here. I still see them in my head. Things running through your head. I just needed you to care. Said you wanted more. I just needed to be sure. Good evening, patrons. After 3 days at sea, I can finally take a shower again. It's so nice. I'm gonna shave my head. I'm gonna shave this beard. I'm gonna wash myself. Thank you. That's what I can do with your support, guys. Finally take a shower. Thank you. Oh, have a good evening, because after this I will be straight to bed. I'm tired, I'm broken, and tomorrow I'm gonna be sailing again in the direction of Malaga, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted. But now, taking a shower.
Nice piece of fish.
Isn't it?
I've got a bit.
What is it?
Salmon. Is it salmon? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Okay, alright. 2.
Yeah.
There you go, 2.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, why do you sound surprised? After all these weeks, why do you sound surprised?
Who's coming to say hello? Hi. How are you? How is the little doggy? Doggy, 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 doggy. Ooh.
Good evening, guys. Check this out. We're having a little barbecue. I've got invited by Doc. Doc is my mate from the Netherlands. He's already here for a couple of months and he's having 10 years more experience than I do. He's been to the Canaries, he's been sailing around the Med, and I'm just asking this guy, give me some tips because yeah, I'm on my way there. And I already heard the Canaries is not the perfect place to anchor, but I'm now in Cartagena. He organized the barbecue tonight and look at that, we're having some gin and some good meat. Please, Doc, explain to me, what route should I take?
What route should you take if you want to go from here to the Canaries? I would advise you to sail off from here, go to Adra, which is about 2 days sail if you take it slow, and go to Gibraltar.
Is that with stops in between or just
No, I
24 hours?
just make a stop there. Yeah, it's about 24 hours, 30 hours, more or less. Take a stop in Gibraltar, fill up your boat, really good, fill up all your tanks because
Why in Gibraltar?
Gibraltar has no tax. It's British. It's not Spanish. It's British.
So cheap.
See Gibraltar as well. See the rocks. See the monkeys.
Okay, guys. So that's a good thing. I didn't even think about that. Gibraltar doesn't have any tax. So what do you pay for diesel?
I think I paid for diesel last time about 80 cents a liter.
Okay, that saves half the price. So that's tip number one. I definitely need to stop.
Number one. Yeah. Then sail on to Cadiz. Cadiz is very nice. It's a very nice city to go to. Good food. And then sail on Madeira. You don't want to miss Madeira.
Okay, everybody's talking about Madeira. Why Madeira?
Madeira is the flower island. You have the dry island in the first, and then you have the big island where Funchal is the capital.
Okay.
It's gorgeous. You can take the cable car all the way up to the mountains, see the big botanical gardens. From Madeira, it's about 2.5 days sail to Gran Canaria. Go to Las Palmas.
From Gibraltar, I'm gonna cross to Morocco or skip Morocco and
skip Morocco.
Yeah.
Go to Gibraltar or go to Madeira.
Yeah. So Gibraltar, Madeira, that's around about 2 days?
No, 3.5.
Okay, that's 3.5 days.
3.5.
72 hours.
Yeah, something like that. Depends on your wind, depends on your speed. Spend a few days on Madeira.
Yeah. Can you anchor there? Or?
No. When you're 150 meters out, it's like deep.
Serious?
No,
so it goes from 100 meters till 5 meters in 100 meters?
Yeah, less.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that's horrible.
Expensive harbors?
Funchal, I paid 70 euros a night for a cat, so you'll be paying somewhere like 30
This guy
euros.
has a 42-foot amazing cat, so it's a bit more expensive than my monohull. Slightly. So I pay half, so I pay 30 euros?
30, 35 euros a night. That'll be good.
Yeah, that's my weekly allowance. So guys, if you're on Patreon, I need some more.
And then go to Las Palmas,
Yeah.
Gran Canaria. It's about 2.5 days sail.
Okay.
Then
So Madeira, Palmas is only 2.5 days sail.
2.5 days.
Perfect.
And then you go from Las Palmas. I went to Tenerife.
Yeah.
And from Tenerife you go to La Gomera.
Yeah.
And La Gomera is a very good hiking. Tenerife, you have good surfing, kite surfing. They do that hang gliding stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Because Tenerife is gonna be my main island, I hope.
Yeah.
If it's not too expensive.
now go to the south of Tenerife, San Miguel. That's a good place. It's a good, safe harbor. We've been there in 60 knots of wind, no problem.
Okay. Like,
No problem.
those are the tips you need, you know. So, hey, you want to come to the Canaries and hop some islands with me? Give me a shout. I'll be there. First, being a how do you call it? Beginner.
Yeah.
Beginner. So, but I'm gonna exchange numbers with this guy. So when I get in trouble, I'm just gonna reach Dax because he's gonna be sailing to Greece islands.
We're going to Ibiza, Mallorca, Sardinia, probably Sicily, and then over to Greece for the next 3 years.
That's the life, people. Have a good night. I'm gonna enjoy myself with these guys and enjoy the barbecue. Laters!